What if the floor actually turned into lava once a day for 5 minutes? Office, workers on desks screaming. Subway, people hanging from the bars like monkeys. Supermarket, grandma climbing shelves yelling, "Not again! Parkour, mandatory." Life skill. Scientifically, the world should be melted. But in this universe, lava politely disappears after 300 seconds. Finally, it's over. Double lava hour. Man screams as he sinks.